traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 29th, and this is my recap at the top of the videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold versus the dollar, make sure you check out the video from this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So I definitely was waiting for a sword on gold today, and it did make a pretty decent little push down. But this move up to me definitely looks more like a trend, which tells me that it probably is very likely a wave A. I now have my Fibonacci retracement on that trend. We went down to the 61.8, and we definitely did make a turn up. It has not broken structure to the upside yet, so maybe it will go down, make like a wave 5. But I would definitely keep an eye on these fib levels. I'd keep an eye out for a break of structure. It seems to me like it's more likely now to probably do something like this, make some sort of a proper ABC correction, probably up to a Fibonacci retracement of this last push down, and then probably break structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level of this move right here. So if you are a short time frame trader, you could definitely try to take advantage of the long for the wave C. If not, then I would definitely still primarily be keeping an eye out for the end of a correction, the end of an ABC correction to go short for the continuation of the downtrend, unless it goes all the way up and breaks this high. If it does that, then I'll definitely back into buys for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.